The last time I helped a child was when I was going to an academy for my A-levels. And it was during that time I was going just actually right after my class ended. I was just heading around and seeing what I wanted, and I saw this kid. He was selling a pen to me, or asking me to sell a pen. So I decided to try to. I didn't actually need a pen. I already had like 5 of those. But I had free time, so I thought, why not I talk to him and see why he's selling pens. And usually these pens are a lot expensive compared to the one you get from the market. So I told him that, yeah, give me a pen, or how much is it? I think he told me it was 20 rupees at the time, and I think he had 5 pens in his hand at the time. I think I had enough money to buy all the 5 pens, so I decided, you know what, and let me try to buy 1 pen and try to negotiate whether he is willing to negotiate, and if I buy the whole stack, and is he willing to come down to 15 rupees per pen. But